there, guys. For week 4, we are going to review how to decompose numbers, how to use different pictures without changing the value of a whole number. As you can see on the screen right here, I have built the number 345. And to build 345, I used 3 hundredths or 3 flats. I used 4 rods. And you can see here that 1 rod is equals to 10 units. That's why we call that a 10. And 1 unit is equals to 1. Okay, so the goal of this week's activity is to see how can I rearrange and regroup some of these base 10 blocks so that I can make the same number using different pictures. What you see here is one way. We're going to create a different way using the same pictures that we have here. We're not going to add any more, and we're not going to get rid of any. Let's start by trying to see if I can take a 10, break it up, and when I break that 10 up, it's going to become smaller units, and smaller units would be this way. So let's do it and see what happens. Do you see what happened? That 1 rod that was broken up and regrouped became 10 plus the 5 units is already there. So we have a total of 15 units over here plus 3 rods. Remember there used to be 4 rods over here and now we only have 3. We have 3 because we took one of them and regrouped it. We did not regroup the hundreds place, so the hundreds place stayed the same with 3 flats. Look at the value. It is still 345. The only thing that changed in this problem is that we rearranged the pictures, different pictures, without changing the value. Now, let's try to see if we can regroup the hundreds. You see, 100 units make up 1 flat. Let's see what happens. We're going to regroup. Break it. 1 flat is equals to 10 rods. We have a different combination now. We have 15 units. How many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Did I count that wrong? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, 13 rods and 2 flats. If I add all these pictures up, it is still equals to 345. Do you see that down there? Okay, so what we just did together right now is that we showed the value 345 in 3 different ways. That's it.